This is part 4 water pump replacement on 2008 Ford Mustang. Alright, now what we doing now is basically we're gonna put the vice grips on this clamp like such. We're gonna squeeze it, boom. And being as though it's limited space right here for you to move it around for real, you want to basically just wiggle it down till it get down to the bottom. Just wiggle it. Let it get down there. Just take your time. Wiggle it. Let it go down there. Take your time. It'll come. It's coming. Come slow, but it's coming. Get it down. Alright. Get it down there by that other clamp. Boom. Good. Now, next, I already unloosened the 12 8mm bolts around the water pump. Only thing I got to do is just take them out and loosen them. Now, make sure when you're taking these things out, all of them the same size, meaning length. Like, make sure one ain't longer than the other, because if it is, what I do is I take a cardboard box, I draw the water pump, and I draw the little bolt holes on it, and then I put each bolt in that cardboard box where it came from, so that way I know which bolt came from where, and I won't get it mixed up when I come back to put the new one on. Okay, all right. So just make sure you pay attention to that. Make sure all the bolts are the same length, you know. So you don't want to put a longer bolt in a shorter journal, and it'll basically break off. You thinking it's not going all the way in, and it's all the way in, and basically you snap the whole head off. You don't want to go through none of that. Make sure all of them the same. All of them the same, you're good. Good to go. Make sure you check and make sure all of them the same. Okay. 12 of these things. And I'm gonna tell you why I didn't mess with this hose right now, why I waited after I finished taking these bolts out. All of them the same, you can put them in the same place. If all of them not, you can't put them in the same place. You gotta make sure you know each one went at. Okay. Now some more water might come out this water pump. Once I take it all the way off, just make sure you got your drain pan at the bottom so it can catch all this antifreeze that's possibly gonna come out when I pull it off. Alright, so once you're done that, basically, next thing you're gonna do I don't have nobody to hold my camera for me. Just pull this thing off. Now you see? Yeah, that happened. Just make sure your pan is up under there. You're gonna catch all of it. But this is the reason why I didn't move this hose up here before I took all the bolts off and removed the water pump, because it's a shorter hose. Shorter hose make it harder to get off, to pull them back and to get them out. So you just wait till you take the whole water pump off and this hose will come off with it. Watch. See? Right off, right with it. Okay, cool. And that's all. Okay. It's the old water pump. Probably been on there since '08. And it basically was leaking from up in there. It was leaking. Burned, probably went bad. More than likely, and it just started leaking. So, on to the next one. Okay, we'll be back. Well, give me a second. I'm just gonna sit down on the camera for a second. So, when these things go bad, they obviously make a whining noise. As you can hear the whining noise. Almost like a power steering pump when they go bad. They make a whine. That thing do the same thing. So now, next step will be cleaning around where the water pump came off of. So the water pump housing, basically cleaning all that old gasket sealant stuff off before you put the new gasket seal on and put the new gasket on. You gotta get that off. So you take a scraper as such, or you take you could get a wire brush, which do a good job. Take a wire brush and go around it, or a scraper, either one. Okay. All right. We'll be back.